In Photoshop, we can also select parts of the image using marquees. Now, what a marquee is that it's either going to be a rectangular or a circular shape. See what I mean when we actually go through and use it. Next to the Move tool, we have the Marquee tool. And right now it's set to rectangular. By default, it's rectangular. It looks like a square with made up of dotted lines. So we select that, and what we can do is we can click and drag on the image, and we select parts of it, like a square or a rectangle. To deselect it, all you do is you click somewhere else, like I just did there. So say for example, I'd like just to select the eye and the beak. What we do is we click and drag around the area that we want to select. When we're happy with it, we can edit and copy that and then paste it into a new layer. So we go to edit, copy, edit, paste, and if we hide the background, what we see is the part of the image that we just pasted there. Show the background again, and we can move that. So that's what we started with. So that's how we use the rectangular marquee selection tool. The other thing we can do, and as per usual, let's rename it. So since it has the eye and the beak, we can call that eye and beak. Another type of selection we can do is we use a elliptical marquee. Now to do that, what we'll do is we'll turn off the beak. We'll turn off the shape that we just created, so we can't see it. Click on the background, so this is the shape that we're using, so this is the layer that we're using, that's what we'll be working with. And where we had the square before, instead of just clicking it, we click and we hold it to make a menu pop up. We use that to select the elliptical marquee tool. We select that now. Now before we were selecting rectangular areas, now we're going to be selecting circular areas. So they make up of circles. So say I'd like to just select the eagle's head. All I do is click and drag. If I'm not happy with it, I can move it just by moving inside. So once I've got that selected, I can use that now to copy and paste it. Edit, copy, edit, paste, and if we hide our background, we'll see what we've copied and pasted, and it's just the head of the eagle. And once again, using the move tool, we can move it to wherever we want in the image. And as we did before, let's rename it to eagle head, because that's exactly what we're showing. So that's how we go about selecting things using the elliptical and the rectangular marquee tools.